Hello, guys, and welcome back once again to my English comprehension exercises. Today, we're going to be talking about question words. Question words, okay? Question words in the English vocabulary are words like who, where, when, why, what, how, which, how many, and how often. Let's look at the vocabulary word who, the question word who in English. The question word who in English asks about a person. It acts as a subject of the sentence. For example, who is that woman? Who are you calling? Let's look at the vocabulary question word where. Where is asking in or at what place or position. An example, where do you live? Where are my books? Where are you going? Let's look at the English vocabulary question word which. Which? Which asking about a choice. It's asking about a choice. Example, which is better exercise, swimming or tennis? Which of the applicants has the better qualification, James or Jim? Let's look at the English question word when. When is asking about time or an occasion or a moment. The example of which is, when can I see you? When did you last see him? Let's look at the vocabulary English question word why. Why is asking for a reason or an explanation. An example, why are you late today? Why was he late for work today? Why are you studying English? Let's look at the English vocabulary word, question word, what. What is asking for specific thing or object. An example, what's the matter? What is the matter with you? What time is it? Let's look at the English vocabulary question word how. How is asking for a way, a manner, or a form. An example, how does the engine of this car works? How do you go to school? By car or by bus? Let's look at the English vocabulary question word, how many. How many is asking about quality, quantity. It's used with a countable noun. An example, How many people was in school today? How many students were in class today? How much is that cheeseburger? Let's look at the English vocabulary question word, how often. How often is asking about frequency. An example, how often do you exercise? How often do you go swimming? How often do you go to the supermarket? Well, those are the 9 question words in English. Study them, understand, comprehend these question words so that you will know what they mean. These question words come up in every language, no matter what country you go into. These question words are always asked in conversations. Okay? Don't forget to like this page, guys, if you like these lessons, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there in the video. As always, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, bye.